All right, folks, today's the day. April 21st, I start showing up for myself. It's today. It's today. I thought that this section would be better explained with a voiceover. So we are playing what we call the cocktail game. We invented it during the pandemic, though inventing is a bit of a stretch because it's not that complicated. We start by doing rock, paper, scissors, and then whoever wins gets to pick first. We decide how many ingredients we want in each cocktail, and then whoever goes first gets to pick what spirit they would like to use. And we do dodgeball style. So let's say I choose the gin, Alex can no longer use the gin. And where it gets really fun is if I can tell that he's making a drink and he's going to need lemon juice, but he hasn't picked it yet, I can choose the lemon juice and kind of mess him up. And then you have to kind of think on your feet and figure out how to make a good drink. And for this particular game, we wanted to use those Japanese bitters, and so that was the only ingredient we were both allowed to use. Spoiler alert, his drink was way better than mine.
Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with...
Just below us, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
No one's rushing, there's no big hurry. You're never alone or locked down in your home. There's always someone there to pick you up. We'll pick you up and take you right down the middle of Main Street, USA. Don't spend your time just looking around for something you want that can't be found. When you find out you can live without it and go on. Here's how. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities.
This is Ripley. Thank you for watching and being here to this part of the video. As the video says, it's showing up. Let me get a little closer. Showing up for myself. Last 2 years has been like really up and down for me personally. And I'm obviously not like that all the time. Right, you have great moments, but just trying to be more consistent with showing up for myself. What that includes for me was like weight training. Obviously you saw a little bit of that. weight training 2 times a week, honestly, just like 20, 30 minutes. And it's more for longevity of like being in better physical shape as I get older than it is about like looking a certain size. I just really want to start feeling like physically stronger and physically better. And also just like not that like working out is like such a huge thing. I feel like I've had times where I've worked out and it's like, oh, you work out for like an hour and a half and then you're so sore. It's like I want to just do things consistently. I heard recently that was like working out should be like brushing your teeth. It's just something you do. Loved that. Adopting that. And just enjoying this springtime. Spring here. I live in Orange County, California, currently. More on that later. And I just really want to enjoy spring. I've been biking to work, which has been really nice. And just being outside, especially today. Today is such a hot day. It's like 90 something degrees. It's pretty wild. And so I'm going to take my book and my journal and sit out on my patio and enjoy that while I still have, right? It's, oh my gosh, it's like 4:30, but it's still so light. I love that. Another way I'm showing up for myself, cooking at home. I love to cook. Me and my husband, more on that later, love to cook. And so I also love grocery shopping. So cooking at home, bringing meals to work so I don't have to like buy food when I'm out, stuff like that. I've been really enjoying that and like learning new things. I've been making bagels, bread, been trying to get into that. And so and just trying to keep like a positive mindset. Because everything's gonna be okay. I literally wake up every day and try my best. And like, that's it. So trying to just enjoy things and be okay. And that's showing up for myself, for me. Yeah. I'm going to try to start posting more consistently. I have some really cool life changes happening that have already happened and that are happening, and I want to document it all. I want to be able to like look back at this part of my life and be able to watch it and revisit it because I know it's going to be really, really exciting. So I'm really excited to post up more on here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.